Hi everyone, welcome to JOHNSADDY Driving. Today I will be talking about alcohol. Some drivers did not know they take alcohol as their habit, as the proper way of driving. They take alcohol as their energy booster. They take alcohol as a way of life. If they do not take alcohol, they can't drive. So follow me. Watch this video till the end, and I know you are going to learn from today. Now, what is alcohol? Alcohol is a drug that affects your body and your mind. After drinking any amount of alcohol, your coordinations, reaction time are slower than sober. Alcohol can also distort your visions when driving. Alcohol can make you sleepy and give you false sense of security that results in poor judgment. In fact, alcohol robs drivers of a very quantities needed for defensive driving: alertness, foresight, judgment, and skills. The alertness will not be there. You will feel boldness that you are in charge and you are in control. Alcohol make you to feel big. Alcohol will make you that you will not see far. You will not be concentrating. So it will cause accidents. Avoid alcohol when driving. When you are about to drive, avoid alcohol. But when you are done driving and you are no more driving for today, you can take alcohol as much as you want. Now I'm going to talk about the dangers of alcohol. One of the dangers in alcohol is that you maybe think that you are in control of your driving, but I will tell you that you are not in control. But if you are a habitual drinker, you may not feel drunk after a few drinks, but your blood alcohol level will slow that you are. When you take alcohol and you got drunk, don't drive, for your life and the lives of your passengers. So don't drink and drive, especially commercial driver, and some private drivers do take alcohol when driving. Please avoid it. Alcohol kills faster than you think. Having a few 3 or 4 drinks can double your chance of being in an accident. But the more you increasing the drinks, the more it will capture. Thank you for watching this tutorial today. I know if you find interested in this video or you want to see another side of this video, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, like, share, and comment.